Let's see the comments. How do you think? How do you want it to be?
Ano yung mas gusto niyo?
Because we want to show everyone.
Gusto niyo nakaganon or nakapaganon?
Yes, we are in Korea.
Nakakahilig.
Sorry. We're figuring it out. 네, 감사합니다. 잠시만요. 여기.
Okay. We got so yun guys. Okay, gusto daw nila landscape na lang daw. Para kita daw tayong lahat. So yun, i-off nyo na lang yung parang like the thingy. Pero yun guys.
It's our first time here in the Ambassador Hotel in Seoul, and Pullman. The Ambassador and Pullman collabo.
Yes. And Horizon.
As you saw the big LED screens when you entered the hotel, boom. So if you're coming to Korea, if you're a foreigner and you want to go to Korea, you better stay here. Because we have our
Sleep here. Yeah. Dito kayo matulog. Kung may pera kayo sa bangko, makikita nyo kami sa screen. So, yan. Right now, it's not a weekend right now, right?
It's Friday.
It's Friday. So maybe some of our anchors are still at school. So, yes. But how are you guys? Okay, the people who are here, kamusta
We
naman
are just
kayo?
connecting to the internet because it's our first time coming here, and it smells very good. It's giving hotel vibes.
Yeah, because it is.
It's giving hotel vibes. It's giving it. Oh, it's here. Can I show them? Can I show them? Okay, I don't know if you guys know how to read Hangul, but it's baliktad mo. Landscape mo. Oh no.
It's okay. Maybe you can like put down the brightness.
So you can screenshot it and we can meet you.
Screenshot nito guys. Pag kaya nyo, why? Pagka nandito kayo, makikita nyo kami.
Di pag ginanon ko,
di mas
gaganon sila lahat. Nakaganon na sila. Ako nga pala.
Yes.
Okay. 잠시만요. Wait, how to not rotate? Okay na to? Hindi.
Guys. Ganun. Pasya.
Hindi siya gumagana.
Very cutesy, very mindful, very demure.
Tama.
Guys, kung gusto nyo makita yung demure,
Linearity.
ayun na.
Screenshot.
Guys, screenshot nyo na guys para makita nyo na kami. Alis na
Nandito
kami.
kami, oo.
Maya-maya. Ito na kayo.
Hindi, pre-recorded talaga to. Wala na kami dito.
Okay, pero yun guys. Kung gusto nyo makita yung demure, punta kayo sa City Hall. Kung wala naman si the mayor, makita nyo si Vice Mayor. Ayan.
Yeah, and we're very excited for the dinner.
Yes.
But you know, let's give TMI about dinner. Our dinner likes and dislikes. Because we have Winston here. Winston?
Bawal kumain ng...
Hindi bawal. Ayaw
pala.
Ayaw niya ng medium rare. Kaya, ang ginagawa niya, pag may nagbigay ng medium rare,
Palitan.
Papa-well-done niya mo. Kasi hindi siya...
Kasi hindi ito yung... This is not the first time na makipagkain kami with isang source of benyim. Dati... Yes. Come lang dito. Nakakain na kami with Mr. Rizal Chor. Tapos may medium rare na steak. Napakasarap. Pero si Kuya Winston lang, pinaweldan niya. So meron tayo ngayon, polvoron.
It's Bavarian.
Korean version. Polvoron. Polvoron of joke lang.
It's like it's like a cookie.
Yeah.
Wow. There's it. Cookies are. Cookies. I like mango. Let's share. Ang saya na bumabang tayo sa ulit. Isama namin ba kayo sa date? Wala ko. Kung magbasa ng comment. Guys, you know, sabi ko yung monkeys.
Wait, guys, meron, wag mo spoil. Merong i-release.
Lagi niya sa spoil. Mas pinuil niya din yung maybe this time.
Totoo ba? Ayun, mga pala. Hindi guys, meron i-release na special performance. Hindi namin sasabihin kung saan, kung sino. Basta merong solo performance. I-release yan soon. Stay tuned kayo. Yes.
Solo performance. Solo performance.
With audience.
Kasi ka different. Baka hawakan.
Guys, lasang chocolate. With cream.
Ito parang lasang rambutan.
This tastes good.
Ano yung lasa ng mangga?
예, 그럼 제가 모신 것 같다고 올게요.
Yan ang connect ng sa wifi.
Yan guys, so ito yun. So,
Ano ba
ito
sa
yun guys.
The wifi here is so fast.
Yes guys, ano to? 500 Mbps yung internet nila dito. So, pwede kayong manood, mag-download, at maglaro.
Have a password.
That's free. Yeah. So yan guys, how many anchors do we have right now? 800. Wow. Thank you guys for coming. Hindi ko kasi mabasa. Kasi nakaside.
Hindi, connect ka sa wifi. Meron wifi, mabilis yung wifi. Para mabasa na to. Later pa kami kakain. Ano pa lang ito? Appetizers. Favorite song. Harap. Magbukbang na lang tayo dito.
Mamaya pa.
Ang may pinasarap. Main course.
So good. So far, so good.
Thank you. Guys, pinapagalit ko nga sila. Ang tamad nila mag-tiktok. Ang nila mag-tiktok.
Guys,
May reserve na
ito na nga, yung sabi ko sa inyo, disclaimer guys, to all the anchors na nag-worry, bakit ang content TikToks? Bakit walang TikTok si Marcus? Dahil tamad ako.
Tamad siya.
Okay. Kasi walang nag-uutos sa amin mag-TikTok. Kami lang talaga yun. So,
Ako daw may mag-tiktok
yun nga eh. Kami lahat talaga yung bahala kung anong TikTok yung iti-TikTok namin, kung anong post namin. Kaya, huwag kayo mag-alala kung hindi kami nagpo-post dahil lang kasi tamad kami. So actually kami dapat ang
Hindi kasi
mag-sorry.
may iba tayong ginagawa sa
Ay,
likod.
syempre.
Diba? May mga hinahanda pa kami na ilalabas namin din. So,
Yes.
kasi hindi kami makapokus lagi sa sa TikTok. Pero meron dito, focus talaga nila, TikTok, diba? Sino ba yung laging mahilig mag
Number 1 TikTokers.
Sige, siyempre. Million followers. Si Gio.
Ako, puro ano lang. Sayaw.
So, pag may hindi kayo nakitang member, kasi tamad sila.
Ako, last month na nga yung last TikTok ko ata. Ay, hindi naman pala. Hindi naman.
Ay, nag-post pala tayo.
Basta yun guys, do not worry. Dahil
걱정 하지 마세요.
yes, walang nag-uutos sa amin. Wala kaming
Taga-utos.
taga-utos. Kami lang.
Ako yung
Kevin Chin
Si Kuya Vinci
Ako
lang.
yung, lalo na pag nasa music show,
Yeah.
lagi kami.
Mag-TikTok naman kayo.
Kapag
Kasi sa
pag
totoo
may
lang,
music
guys.
show TikTok, that's my brain,
Yes.
bro.
Horry tamad kasi kami. Yan.
At saka nag-prepare din kami for concert.
And many more things, guys. Di nyo alam, baka sa concert, mag-ano na kami, ay, bawal sabihin. Yes, yan.
Umulan? I'm excited for that.
What?
Kasi di ba na-announce na yung concert? Oo nga pala guys, sorry. Medyo nawala sa isip ko. Na-announce na nga pala and malapit na mag-ticket selling, right? Malapit na mag-ticket selling for our second concert. So I hope you guys are excited as we are. Kasi, syempre guys, di ba, pakinggan nyo, will listen to us when we say this. This is our only concert for the year. We're not gonna have any other concert other than this. We're not gonna have a concert in another country
Correct.
yet. It's just that concert. It's a special day for Anchors and us, Horizon, to be together.
And
give
let's
you
just say
special
this.
stuff.
Let's just say this. We are gonna do so much more compared to our first
Yeah, we're
concert.
gonna promise that.
That's the promise, is talagang may hinahanda talaga kaming mga pakulo talaga na masyashock talaga kayong lahat compared to friendship na concert. Anchors High is gonna be the new top concert of ours. Okay, it's gonna be the best.
Yeah, and pinag-isipan din namin yung title na ano yung pwedeng maging title na parang kasama talaga kayo guys. And that is one of it. And of course, we're gonna give you guys some personalized stuff there too.
Yes.
And I think, can I say that? Can I say that?
Yeah, you're gonna make some personal.
Yeah, I'm gonna
So that's
make.
gonna be like one of the perks for the tickets.
Because I wanted to give a special something that involves everyone. Because I'm gonna be the one making it like the base of it, but of course all the members will chip
Exactly.
in and contribute to the whole process. So it's gonna be a Horizon to Anchors type of
Because like
giveaway.
this concert
Giveaway.
talaga, we don't want to just be like what is this? To be like so generalized, like magpa-perform lang, sasayaw, kakanta lang. We're gonna do more
more.
things
Yeah.
that are outside of performing, and we can interact with you guys.
whole experience.
Give you more stuff like presents and the perks, merch, but not just that. On stage as well, we're gonna do many more things that isn't just the performance that you're used to.
Because honestly, nung first concert kasi namin, syempre kami, mas umaasa talaga kami sa mga coaches namin and stuff, kung ano yung masasuggest nila for us. Kasi kami, wala kaming alam about concerts. Pero now na we've done one concert, it's like, may experience kami and medyo alam namin yung pwede naming maibigay
And ma-improve.
improve from the last one. So, mas meron kami ngayong input.
Yes.
So, be excited.
Stay
Be
tuned,
excited or
guys.
be disappointed.
Screen record nyo to. I-post nyo to sa Twitter. Dapat malaman to ng lahat ng anchors.
Tapos, after ng concert, sabi nila, kaya pala ganun kasi sila nag-isip. Bakit?
Hindi naman, promise
Maganda
talaga,
lang.
promise. We're really preparing a lot for
We
this.
are.
Okay?
Bakit? Ano yung imagination na? Yeah. So it's fun. And then, let's read some comments.
Robot had a bad day.
And then yun, dapat
Siyempre, nung last, diba, nung first concert natin, like, hinahanap natin kung ano yung kulang. So, ngayon, ina-apply namin. So, ayun, parang nakulangan kami na parang umaasa tayo sa music na sasayaw tayo. Parang tayo na mismo gagawa ng music natin. Parang ganun. Like yung, hindi ko gets. Yung tayong tutok.
Uy, yeah.
Diba? Kasi wala ka doon.
Oh?
Basta, hindi yung tayo
wala?
tatlo, diba?
Tayo tatlo yung chorus
Okay,
na,
wala.
chorus na.
Chorus na. Basta guys, ito naman sabi namin. Hindi lang kami sasayaw. Hindi lang kami kakanta. Hindi ako natatakot. Hindi ako kinakabahan. Basta yan, hindi lang kami gagawin. Hindi kami magpo-perform lang.
Mag-acting kami dun, guys.
Yung nakikita nyo sa mga mall show, sa mga fansign namin, yung magpo-perform lang kami ng kanta namin. No. magta-tumbling kami. Okay, marami kaming gagawin na iba. Okay?
Nagtutunog po sa aso, panda.
Yes.
Good.
Good lucks on your exam next week. Fighting lang palagi. Hindi ako makakaabot, aabutin mo yan.
Ala, nalibre na ba yung ending fare?
Roseanne, anong problema ba?
Huwag ka mag-change topic, pre.
Kailangan namin kausapin yung mama mo. Bakit?
Hindi pa siya nalilibre.
Sabi dyan, nalibre na daw si Marcus kasi ikaw pinakamaraming ending fare.
Uy, di pa tapos.
Nag-ending fairy lang ako isang beses, sabi nila ako na daw yung manlilibre.
Di pa
Ikaw
tapos.
nakatatlo ka na, umapat.
Di pa tapos, guys. Meron pa tayong...
Tapos na yung dalawa nating comeback, pre. Ikaw yung pinakamadami.
Hindi, this comeback ba? Mayroon pa... diba? Meron pa tayong
ikaw ulit
isa.
yan, tatlong...
Pero counted na din yung...
Wala, hindi pa sa bagay.
Bumigay.
Sa bagay. Hindi ka talaga maintindihan.
Tita Jensen o ayaw.
Uy! Sinasali niyo po yung mama ko dito. Hindi, mangyayari yan. Promise ko yan. Promise.
Baka, wag pala natin isama baka si Tita Jensen yung manlilibre. Kawawa na.
Si Tita
Kawawa na si
Jensen.
tita.
Or yung lola ko gawa na naman champurado.
Yun na lang. Yun na lang.
Yun na yung bahay sa unang libre.
Yun na yung first comeback. Ito
Pinakain
naman.
kami ng lola niya ng
Champurado tsaka pork steak. So, next naman.
Lechon.
Lechon.
Grabe naman dito. Hindi.
Yung tick ng
Yeah, basta sa mga sumunod, bibili ako ng ice cream. Ice cream. Okay lang yun, di ba? Ice cream.
Okay lang.
Okay, sige.
Kahit ano, hindi mo
Tigta
kailangan.
tatlo kami.
Sige.
Yung malaki.
Tatlo.
Basta gusto ko yung pag-uwi mo, bigla kang...
Ice cream. Mga anak.
Kasi siya yung pinaka-late lord umuwi.
Oo nga.
Sipag kasi ni Marcus.
manlibre ka na sa mga kuya mo. Yes, guys, I understand. Okay. First concert ko with Horizon. Wala na.
Oh yeah,
Natabunan na.
you should share some things you want to see in the concert as well. Because it's Angkor High, it's our, it's our school. It's our school together. So what do you guys want to see?
Guys, what is Randomantic cover?
I'm not sure.
Is that a song?
Romantic.
Random man. Parang random.
Baka random na kanta tayo.
Rambutan. Ayun ako mga tasa.
Okay. Ano? Okay. Ay.
Hindi ba yun yung in the mood?
Hindi. Okay. Gusto ko makita si Kim na mag-gitara, please. Uy, that's not impossible for Angkor's High. Guys, that's what I'm saying. There are many things gonna happen. We don't wanna spoil anything.
And we're listening to you guys.
Baka may magpo-float. Hindi kasi during sa meeting namin, we were in the talks of like the instrument na kaya namin mag-ano.
I think it's eating time.
Dinner.
Eating time.
Yeah.
Konyok time.
Guys, guys, baka yun na daw yung sign na i-stop na kasi baka ma-spoil na natin lahat.
Itigilin natin to at kakain na kami, di ba, Kip?
Tigilan na. Kain lang kami kasi meron pa kaming gaganap mamaya.
Kiss mo sila. Bye-bye. See you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, guys.
Sarang yun. Tara, magmukbang na tayo.
Bye, guys.
Bye guys. Bye guys.